You are gonna witness a future.
Okay, I'm being so dramatic. I'll get the point. This video is about a startup company creating a new mode of transport, that's flying taxis. Humans have always wanted flying cars, whether it's 1940s or 2021. So everyone all around the world, people are trying to create flying cars so that it would be more convenient for a person to travel from one place to another without any traffic. But this company have uh, created something new, that's flying taxis. It's not a flying car, of course. It's more like a drone which can carry people, or a flying drone. No, all the drones fly only, so I'll make a new name with that. So, incubated out of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, the company was founded by Satya Chakravarti, a professor of aerospace engineering at the institute, along with Pranjal Mehta, who graduated from IIT Madras in 2019. With a team of 15 engineers, they created or tested a small-scale unmanned prototype of its flying electric taxi. It is on a track to build and fly a larger model with a 50 kg payload by mid-2021. They are creating taxis, which is not like flying cars, okay? Like you'll book a taxi, you'll go to your terrace, your plane or your flying taxi will be there. You'll hop on and you'll reach your destination by 10 minutes, which will be about 10 kilometers. Like this taxi can travel 10 kilometers just in 10 minutes, which is wow factor, right? And this is not the first company trying to do something innovative or something good, new. Before this, Ola Air Pro, I don't know how many of you know about Ola, but this company is one of India's most biggest taxi chain, if I'm right. So Ola Air Pro, fly on the road, drive in the air. Opposites, but they had a great tagline there. So this is how their car or their taxi is looking. This is also more like a drone or the flying taxi only, but the difference is, ignore the fact it's looking kind of weird, but still the fact is it can travel much more faster and it is bigger comparing to this flying taxi. Look at this, it's small, right? So it has 4 wings and some propellers, if I'm right. That's all, it's over. And it can carry up to 2 people at the same time. But the problem here is this can't be unmanned. The company was trying to build an unmanned vehicle, but according to Indian Aviation, the rules are like no such thing or such great things or whatever things should fly without unmanned. Shouldn't be flied unmanned. This big can't be flied unmanned. Look at this. The taxi will be compliant with all today's regulations for aircraft. So while we think autonomous flight will become the norm for such vehicles at some point, today's regulations don't permit this. We will therefore have a human piloted version. So for now we are just focusing on that, said Chakravarti. Imagine, right from, as I said before, from 1940s before it itself, we are trying to create a hybrid vehicle which can run on roads and fly on the air. It's more like an aeroplane but a smaller compact version. It's compressed into 10 times. The aeroplane is really big, but we are trying to compress it so small that it would fit into a garage, and the wings should be smaller so that you could run on the roads. So when this technology comes out, the traffic on the roads will be really low, and these companies are trying to do it in an electric way. And more important thing is this, from a single charge it can travel up to 10 to 20 trips, that is around 200 kilometers. Like with a single charge, this taxi can travel up to 200 kilometers. And this thing is another one, like it's bigger than the other one. This, with a single charge, can travel a faster range, like a lot of range, but the most efficient part, or the an advancement which is in this vehicle which you see on the screen, is that while traveling it will charge itself. So that's its main difference between these two taxis. So what's your opinion on this, giving everyone helicopters, personal helicopters which can fly around your head like aeroplanes? I guess the air traffic will be more congested than the land traffic. I don't know, let's wait till the future. So that's all actually. So what do you think about this invention? What do you think about flying cars, hybrid flying cars? Leave in the comments. So that's all for today. Bye.